show you how to change theme on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Open settings, click on to theme option, and you get more theme in this section. Or if you want to find any specific theme, just search here to specific theme. Okay, and you just select any one, press on to download. Okay, go back, showing it to top option, and this is the top theme. Okay, press on to menu option and go to my stop, then showing it to my recently download theme. Press on to apply. Okay, now successfully change theme. If you want to get back to default theme, just open settings, go to theme, menu, my stop, and showing it to default. Press on to apply. That's it.